What is countdown in Snapchat? So this is a new feature in Snapchat, which kind of wasn't advertised a lot, but is getting a lot of traction on TikTok and social media. So basically, here's your account, and then if you just go to your profile in top left, and then here you can see countdowns. So this is the feature. So just on your profile, and then the idea of it is just basic, like you have some date you want to count days to, and then you can just create a countdown on Snapchat and invite friends to this event. So basically you kind of create like a mini event, but this is not like a Facebook event or anything, just like a how many days are left to this date, and then you just create it. So just tap new and then add a title. So then you can just name it, and then you invite friends. So you can invite friends from your Snapchat list, and then you just add the date when it's available, and then you just add the time. So that's what it is, and then you can just create. Then you will see, all right, there are like 28 days to this event. You can see who created it. You can then just see, and then it just appears in your countdowns list. So there you have it. Then as an administrator, you can just go and always edit it. You can see your upcoming countdowns. You can edit. You can go and rename it. You can remove friends, add additional friends. You can change date and time from here. So something like that. And then you can also trash it, so you can just delete it. By the way, if you were invited to the countdown on Snapchat, but you're not an admin, you can always just go and leave. So it's also possible to leave, and then you will just receive some kind of notifications, I guess, to this event. So it's kind of just like a interesting feature. Just if you have some important event and you just want to count days to it, so that's the idea. I need to say there are a lot of like countdown widgets this period. I don't know whether it's like new hype feature or something, but yeah, there are a lot of just like standalone apps where their main feature are just like countdowns. And then yeah, but like in Snapchat you don't have a widget for this feature yet, which is, yeah, like I would really like if there would be like a feature, like widget, either a home screen widget or like lock screen widget for these countdowns. So that would be nice to have. So yeah, that would be cool. So yeah, basically something like that, or you just have that. So yeah, that's basically the feature. Try it out. You don't need to be Snapchat Plus to enable it, so just give it a try.